Hello everyone, this is Donna and today I want to talk about Buzzbreak. Okay guys, I'm very excited to share this with you because I have tried so many passive income apps that actually claims to give monetary incentives and yet they don't, okay? So that is very frustrating. After using their apps, they don't give anything at all. But this app is very legit. I have been paid out already. At the end of the video, I will show you my payout. But first, I want to show you the platform, how it works, and how you can gain points because it's very, very easy, yeah? So if you can see this icon, so this is the Buzzbreak icon. You can actually download it on your phone. I'm not very sure if it's available on iOS just yet, but if it is, do leave a comment below and let me know, okay? As far as I know, it's just available on Android phones. What is wrong with me today? Okay, so I'm gonna go to my next screen so I can actually show you how the platform looks like and how you can gain points from it because it is very, very easy to gain points from using Buzzbreak app, okay? Okay guys, so this is how Buzzbreak operates. So this is the platform. This is what it looks like when you download this on your Android phone. As far as I know, it's only available on Androids at this time, yeah? So it's very easy to gain points here. If you would look here at the right side corner, 4,000 points, all you have to do is click on that one. Hold on. So check in. Video is preparing. Please try again. Got it. Okay, let's try again. Click on that one. Okay, usually it's just a 30 seconds or 15 seconds or sometimes it's only 8 seconds advert. So you're gonna watch that to get the points. Hold on. Let me go back. So claiming reward, you just earned 4,000 points. So that's how easy it is, and you can actually check the reward points by going to the wallet. Wallet is over here. It's at the bottom part, right bottom part. There. So click on the wallet. So far that is the points that I accumulated or that I have gained. I just downloaded this app last week only, yeah? So I have referred friends like my mom, my sister, my cousin, our nanny. They're all trying out Buzzbreak, so I have gained points from there. So speaking of referring friends, you will easily gain points by referring friends. So invite friends, it's also there. Let's click on that. So you can earn 66,000 points for inviting each friend. So level 1 is 54,000 points per friend. There are different kind of levels. Depends on how many friends you've invited. So I'm currently at level 3. I think I've invited at least 4 or 5 friends. I'm not sure. I'm not sure anymore. Okay. So they will get a point, you will get a point as well. So every time that they would use Buzzbreak and they would gain points, every 5 points that they make, you make 1 point, yeah? So if you haven't downloaded this game yet, you can use my referral code. It's right here. Can you see my pointer? Okay, it's right here. My referral code is B06590325. I will actually leave that on the description below. So if you haven't downloaded Buzzbreak, you can use my referral code. You gain points, I gain points too. And once you have downloaded Buzzbreak, you can actually leave your referral code on the comment box below so that other people can use it as well, yeah? So let's go back. There are different ways on how you can gain points here. So going back to the home page, if you would look at the bottom of the screen again, you can see home. We're currently at home now. And videos. Sorry, hold on. Okay, it's downloading. Videos, and then earn, and then wallet. My internet is acting up. Okay, earn. So currently we're at earn now. So this is the place where you can actually earn or gain points. So inviting friends, checking in every day, you get points. Sharing Buzzbreak, you get points. Reading news, and of course there are different offers. So in this part, I clicked on the free points. You can actually gain more points by downloading games. There are different conditions actually. Some of the conditions is you just download the game and let it run for like 10 minutes or 10 seconds, stuff like that, yeah, and you will already gain the points. There are some conditions as well where you have to play the game, let's say until level 5, level 10, level 20, and you will gain points there. And then there is also instructions there when you can receive the points, because some are not immediate. Some they will say you will receive the points in 7 days or in 21 days, stuff like that, yeah. So I have actually played a game here last week. It's around 143,000 points, and that game I have to play until level 20, and I will only receive the points in 21 days. So I haven't received it yet, yeah, but it's also a fun game. So if you're keen, or if you're interested in playing games, downloading games, or you know, exploring more games for you to play during your free time, then you can try this out and you gain money from it. Okay, so let me just go back. I want to talk about the wallet part again. So I'm going to go back to the wallet part of the app. Okay, in the wallet part of the app, you can actually see the history. Let's say you earned free points of 4,000. That's because I clicked on the gift box earlier. Yeah, so all the history is here of the points that you have gained, or even the people that who you referred to. You can see if they're playing or not. So this Melanie, Melanie is actually my sister, and she earned 300 points, so I get 60 points. So every 5 point is 1 point for you. Every 5 points they make is 1 point for you, yeah. So give me a second here. What else? Okay, if you're, I'm going to the homepage. We're on the homepage now. If you're keen on reading articles such as lifestyle news or even sports, then you can read it from Buzzbreak, because there are different kinds of articles that you can click here. It's so easy to gain points just by reading news. It's immediate. Let me give you an example, okay? I'm going to click the very top one, which is Parañaque City announces ban on single-use plastic starting June. So let me just click on that one. And you can see here, can you see? 5 seconds left to claim 600 points, yeah? So scroll to the bottom to claim reward. So I'm just going to do that. And you just earned 600 points. So that's how easy it is. So some people, they don't like playing Buzzbreak because they thought that it's gonna take them forever to gain points. It's not like that at all, yeah. And going back to the homepage again, if you can see the gift box at the middle of the screen here on the side, can you see it? You just click on that one too. By clicking on that one, you gain points as well, okay? So I just want to highlight to you that there is a limit for reading news and also for clicking this box. So the limit is actually 50 articles per day, yeah? And also at the right side corner, this one, the one that has a timer on it, you can only click that every hour. Okay, and beside that, hold on, let me click on that one. Ooh, oh shoot. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm actually using my phone to do this vlog because I have downloaded this game on my phone. Yeah, so I'm using Mobizen to actually do this vlog, a Mobizen app. Yeah, so I hope you got it. So I'm gonna do it a bit slower. Let me go back, okay? So at the right side corner, focus your attention there. Beside the gift box that has a timer, the watch thing, yeah? So I'm gonna click on that one, and then it will direct you to this page. Now I don't have tickets left because I have used it already. So every time that you refer a friend, okay, every time that you refer a friend, you actually get tickets so you can play this game. And then but if you can see the red gift box here, click to receive a gift. You just have to click on that one. Okay, then you can exit out. So once you have done that, you will get a reward. Okay, you have just won 650 points. So basically, that's how you earn points. It's super duper easy, okay? So going back to the wallet, let's go back to the wallet. Alright guys, so I'm in Philippines, so my currency, as you can see, is in pesos. So that points is 26 pesos and 38 cents. Now cashing out, let's go to cash out. The minimum cash out is 2 cents, 10 cents, or the maximum is 50 cents. Now this is not just available in Philippines. You can just see our currency in this vlog because I'm in Philippines, but of course if you download it in where you are, then you're gonna see your own currency. But they do give this in USD. Yeah, I actually use I actually use my PayPal for this. If you're in Philippines, you can actually use GCash to cash out. And later after this, I will actually show you my payout because I have tried it. Last week. Last week I have already gained points and I claimed 10 cents. Yeah. I like it better this way. Some people, they would say, oh come on, 50 freaking cents. Well, yeah, because the thing is, it's free freaking money just by reading articles, just by downloading games, really. So it's a legit paying app. I'll show you the proof later on. So what else? Okay, so pretty much that's it. Yeah, so this is how the platform looks like. It's very user friendly. It's not hard to use. It's not complicated. So during your free time, you can just go in and gain more points. Now if you would look at this, where there's the date, I hope you can see my pointer here, where there's a date, Wednesday, January 8th, Makati City. So win 500 your point. Okay, today is a promotional day, so every time that I click on something, the gift box, I get 4,000 points. But that differs on each day, yeah, depending on the promotion per day. So you have to check that out too. All right, so let me just go back to my other screen. Okay guys, so this is my PayPal pay for Buzzbreak. I have gained 10 cents just by clicking articles and referring friends, yeah, family members, yeah. So I actually tried it immediately. As soon as I gained the points, I tried it immediately because I don't want to keep using an app that claims to give money or a free monetary incentive, and yet it doesn't. So I quite like it. I really like that it's 2, 10, and 50 cents cash out. Yeah, it's a very easy to achieve. So I hope you like this short video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope this has been useful to you. So if you like more videos like this, do leave a comment below and do subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you want to suggest anything, if you want to know more about anything, yeah? And I just want to let you know, this channel doesn't have a niche, okay? So I also do skincare vlogs and others. This is a personal vlog. But I just want to tell you, I do have a playlist. So if you're just more into earning money, you can actually see my freelance experiences, freelance job on my 2 cents playlist. That's the name of my playlist for that, my 2 cents for skincare vlogs. It's also on my channel. I have actually created a playlist for those, yeah? So thank you again for your support, and thank you again. Please keep on watching. Bye for now, okay?